Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phoenix in Marvel Rivals. Phoenix is a formidable ranged duelist, boasting 275 health points. Her core mechanic revolves around applying sparks to enemies with her primary attack, Cosmic Flames. Each hit adds 1 spark, while critical hits add 2. Once an enemy accumulates 3 sparks, they detonate in a fiery explosion, damaging nearby foes and healing Phoenix. This explosion also applies 1 spark to those caught in the blast, setting up devastating chain reactions. Phoenix's kit offers excellent control and mobility. Her telekinesis bursts targets an area, stunning the first hit and slowing subsequent explosions, each applying 1 spark. Telepathic illusion lets you instantly teleport, leaving an exploding decoy that also applies a spark, perfect for quick escapes or offensive maneuvers. Dark Ascent provides temporary free flight, increasing your movement speed and reloading your weapon, allowing you to reposition or gain high ground with ease. Master these for dynamic gameplay. Phoenix's ultimate, Song Inferno, lets you soar skyward before crashing down, dealing immense area damage. This powerful blast also applies 1 spark, destroys enemy summons, shields, and bonus health. For optimal impact, aim your ultimate at enemies already carrying 2 sparks to trigger a massive chain reaction. Combine telekinesis burst with your primary fire to rapidly stack sparks on clustered foes. Use your flight to secure advantageous positions and unleash your full fiery potential. To truly master Phoenix, always maintain a safe distance and aim for critical hits to quickly apply sparks. Positioning is key. Utilize high ground or cover to maximize your damage output while staying protected. For PlayStation 5 players, consider remapping Telepathic Illusion and Dark Ascent to back paddles for seamless ability usage during combat. A linear aiming curve and a simple dot crosshair can also enhance your precision. Remember to practice regularly in the training range to perfect your fiery strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.